Hi, I'm James, and today we're going to talk about a line from the classic movie, The Terminator. So Arnold Schwarzenegger plays the cyborg from the future who goes back in time to kill Sarah Connor. In one scene, the Terminator is looking for Sarah at the police station, and one of the police officers says, "She's here, but you can't see her." So Arnold replies, "I'll be back."
I'll be back.
And then crashes into the police station with his car. Such a classic line, but we usually use it when we'll be back, right? So you could be getting up to use the restroom, you could be walking into a meeting, or any of these things that just takes maybe like a few minutes, but of course it's a joke, and of course you have to say it in your best Arnold accent. I'll be back.